Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture on vehicle status monitoring. So this vehicle status monitoring is one of the topic under the course Intelligent Vehicle Technology. I am D. Rajesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Automobile Engineering. Well, welcome you for the video lecture. So vehicle status monitoring. What do you mean by vehicle status monitoring? The vehicle status monitoring is a system which monitors the real-time data of the vehicle. So the data can be a navigation, right? It can be about the vehicle, it can be about the systems, it can be about all the environment, right? So this is what the vehicle status monitoring. So let us move on to the slides. Vehicle status monitoring involves analyzing or tracking the data of the vehicle in order to ensure the safety and maintenance, right? So why you need to monitor the vehicle? Why do you need to monitor the status? So vehicle monitoring is very important, right? For example, I'll tell you an example. Tire pressure monitoring system. So this system monitors the pressure, air pressure of the tire. If the tire pressure is not sufficient, what will happen? The tire, if there is no air or less air, what will happen? There may be a cause of stability of the vehicle, right? So the stability of the vehicle may be affected, right? So there are many newses because of the air tire, right? Air pressure in the tire is not maintained properly. So what happens? The tire burst and there may be fatalities. So this is very much important, right? The tire pressure. Likewise, there are many things. For example, the dashboard may contain the odometer, right? It indicates the number of kilometers run by the vehicle, right? It also alerts the driver to service the vehicle, right? There may be a servicing symbol in the dashboard that may be glowing, right? It also tracks all those things, right? Thereby enhancing the safety, improving the efficiency as well as the compliance of the vehicle. So this is what the importance of the monitoring. So there are many types of monitoring, out of which there are three different types. One is the telematics system. So this telematics system is one of the system which monitors the vehicle's real-time data such as speed, location, fuel consumption and so on. So these things will inform the driver by through the dashboard, right? So the vehicle's fuel level will be indicated like the network signal in the mobile, right? So this indicates the fuel. So what is empty or what is filled, right? Empty to full, right? So this is how it will indicate by using analog or a digital indication in the dashboard. Then about the location, this location is indicated by using the data that is from the GPS, that is a geographic positioning system or graphical positioning system, right? Next is about the fuel consumption. So this is also one of the main thing. Then vehicle speed. Vehicle speed is indicated in terms of the speedometer. This speedometer nowadays the vehicle manufacturers they provide digital speedometer. In olden days it is an analog speedometer, right? It also provides the information of the engine speed by using the tachometer reading, that is the RPM, right? The next is about the onboard diagnostic. This onboard diagnostic indicates the malfunction of the various sensors or the systems that is error caused inside the vehicle. So this is about the OBD. There is a scanning tool. If you plug in the scanning tool during service, it will indicate the error codes. That error codes can be received by the tool and it can be the errors can be replaced. So this is what the OBD. Then the driver behavior monitoring. So here it is very much important on the driver behavior monitoring. Driver behavior monitoring is in the sense, for example, if he is drowsy, right? So if he is not blinking his eyes for a frequent manner, then it means that he is not active in driving. So it indicates the drowsiness and it monitors the drowsiness and it alerts the driver. As well as if he is driving in a speed beyond the limit, then there is a system which alerts the driver in order to reduce the speed. So these kind of systems will monitor and track the vehicle along with the driver and it indicates on the dashboard about the different data. So this is what the monitoring system. So there are different technologies used for the monitoring. One is about the GPS tracking. As I already told you, it tracks the real-time position by using the geographical positioning system. Then about the sensors and IoT, right? Then mobile application. So nowadays the vehicles are built with mobile applications, right? So the user can be a multiple user. There is a multiple driver of the same vehicle. For example, if a couple is using the same vehicle, husband and wife is using the vehicle, then they can see where is the vehicle, how they drive, whether they reached home or not, they reached office or not. These kind of data can be tracked by using the mobile application. So this is how the vehicle monitoring system is nowadays used in the vehicle. So it is a very important system in order to enhance the safety. That's it about the lecture. We will meet on the next lecture. Thank you.